my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Fali Solomon and today I'm going to create a very simple makeup look. It's going to be super easy to create and it's going to be super glamorous. It's going to be a very quick tutorial and why waste time? Let's get going. So to make this tutorial really quick, I have already applied my foundation and I have also done my eyebrows. If you don't know how to do it, you can always go to my previous videos that I have created. I have done from scratch, like foundations, color correctors and eyebrows and everything. But for today, I have already done all of that and I just wanted to make a very quick makeup look. So this is going to be perfect for winter. It's going to be nice and warm and there's going to be a little bit of color to it, which is, I feel, super glamorous. So let's get going. And so the eye palette, I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Gold, and this is how the shades are. It's amazing. And then I need to put my eyeshadow shield so that I can prevent my foundation from getting disturbed, because I already have foundation and I really don't want any fallouts on it. So I'm going to pick Coca Truffle from this palette. This is the shade. It's a little bit on the brown side. It is a brown shade. And then I'm going to go straight onto my crease line. I have already applied my eye primer and I'm starting from the outer corner, and then I'm going to use another brush to blend it like this, and then go into the inner corner. And then blend again really well. Blend the edges really well. And then I'm going to pick this greenish kind of a shade from this palette. This is more on the sage side, I would say, or not even sage. I would say this is more like khaki kind of a greenish shade, which is amazing. It's going to add that glam to the whole look. Let's see. So I'm just going to pick this one. I'm simply going to go close to the lash line and create a wing with this shade. I've used a very small brush. If you can see, it's a flat brush and it's perfect for this. And I'm going to just wing it just like that. Just like this. Look how gorgeous this shade is. And then I'm going to use an eye pencil. This is black. And all I'm going to do is just go over and close to the lash line and create a wing again. Oops. And then I'm going to use a brush like this, a domed shape one, and then just go and smudge it a little bit. Just diffusing the edges. And then I'm going to use a liquid eyeshadow. This is a shimmery eyeshadow, and all I'm going to do is simply go over here, right in the center of my eyelid. And then evenly spread it out. There you go. You're almost done here. And then I'm going to use this greenish shade that we used. This one. This goes on the lower lash line. So I'm going to focus only on the outer corner. Just here. And then I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow, the shimmery one. I'm going to go here on the inner corner, just dragging it. I'm going to add a little bit of foundation just to shape in the wing a little bit. And then with the black eye pencil, I'm just going to fill the waterline, just the outer corner. I'm just going to pat some pressed powder under the eye. And now moving to the face, I'm going to contour my face a little bit. I'm using Fenty Beauty Cream Contouring Stick, and this is in the shade Mocha 03. There you go. So, here, here. Now I have a broad forehead, so I like to apply here, here, and here. Or if you have a small forehead and a narrow one, so I think you should just skip this one and just apply on the sides. So I want to apply here, here, my nose, jawline. I'm going to simply blend. Make make sure you really blend well. Blending is the key. So after it's nicely blended, you barely can see any harsh lines, and it's just blended well with the foundation. That's what you want to achieve. And that's what you want to achieve. Moving next is the bronzer. Since I've used a cream contour, I want to use now a powder product. So I prefer using a bronzer that's powder and not cream. So I'm going to use Bobbi Brown. This is the palette, and this has a blush, this has a highlighter, and this has a bronzer. Since it's winter, and you want the face to look nice and warm and sultry and really nice, so I'm going to use this palette and then this product. And since this is a little bit dark, I'm going to go really light with the bronzer, just so that the contour sets and also you get that bronze effect on the face. So I'm just going to go here a little bit. Here. So if you can see, I'm just dabbing it. But the key is to also blend. You see, I'm going on the cheekbone and not here. So my contour is here and my bronzer is here. A little bit on my nose. And there you go. And there you go. And now moving to the blush, I'm going to use e.l.f. and this is Putty blush. This is a cream blush, and this is in the shade Maldives. So I'm just going to use a little bit here, just here. So I'm using the same brush that I used for my bronzer and my contour, so that it just blends well. See, I'm just going to apply here so that it's just the highest point of my cheekbone. Well, it all depends on your personal face frame. Maybe you don't have you don't require to apply on such on cheekbones. Probably you would want to apply more on the side, or maybe more on the apples of the cheeks. It all depends on your frame, so on your face frame. So keep that in mind. But I prefer to sometimes just apply here. Gives that nice sleek shape to the face. You see, it's nice and warm, and at the same time it's just not too much on the face, and that's what I was looking for. And now moving to the lips, I'm going to use another warm shade, and for the lips I have used Revlon, and this is called Toast of New York, and this is in the shade 325, and this is amazing. I love this shade. This is such a perfect shade for winter and gives that warmness to the face. I simply love this. So I'm going to go get dressed, and I'm going to show you how this looks like with false eyelashes on, and apply some mascara, and yes, I'll be back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. It's so glamorous. For the mascara, I have used Maybelline Sky High, and yep, that's it. I'll see you soon in the next video with another exciting look that's going to be super easy to create, and that is going to be super glamorous. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Bye.